Okay, so you're probably watching this video because you've been using ChatGPT for the last 7 months, get the same boring responses every single time, and have thought, there has to be more to this AI hype than ChatGPT. And yeah, you're right. I've automated almost 50% of my life online using AI tools other than ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you 19 websites that are going to change your life as well. Let's start with mymap.ai. This tool literally makes ChatGPT visually appealing by turning outputs into 2D visuals. Let me show you. Write a regular prompt like you would do normally. For example, what are some common foods in the US? It'll generate the answer, but here's where it gets a lot more exciting. If I just highlight this chat, then I can generate or brainstorm anything, and it'll be instantly integrated into this mind map environment. This is invaluable for those that want to stay organized or start planning their projects a little bit better. Not only that, if you want to take it to the next level, you can also generate entire pitch decks by just highlighting your field once again, and then pressing on Create a Pitch Deck. My absolute favorite, though, is that you can press the little play button in the top right corner and then present all of your saved decks or fields. And as you can see here, the camera kind of follows every piece of content. Crazy. Next up, Video by Spreading.ai. This is an AI video generator that will skyrocket your business. You can expect up to 3 times lower bounce rate on your website, up to 86% increase in user feedback, and a lot of reduced costs and time. The whole point is that you create these AI avatar videos. Let me show you how it's done. It's going to take less than 30 seconds. Just click Create Video, choose your goal with the video, then you can change some things, like the voice of the person talking, the actual person on the screen, or the script. So I'll just paste in my script, like that. Now here's the result.
Hi, I'm Emma. How can I help you today?
Let's also try another example with a female, so I'll pick the template, Feedback Survey. After some small adjustments, here's what I made.
My name's April. Nice to meet you. Did you enjoy your purchase?
It really isn't harder than that. Number 3, ShortX. Now, I've been waiting to show you guys this AI tool. It's the ultimate cheat code to creating viral TikToks. You won't get these bad, disappointing shorts like all other AI tools. Take a look at this short I made in 30 seconds with one single click of a button.
Did you know about the horrifying Philadelphia experiment of 1943? A tale shrouded in conspiracy and mystery. According to legend, the U.S. Navy conducted a top-secret experiment.
Now this is a lot better than what you'd usually get from AI. Here's how it goes down. Once you create the video, you'll see a lot of these different AI agents working together to generate the different aspects of the video. Pretty damn cool. However, this AI tool might not have been released by the time I release this video, so if you want to know when it's available to the public, join my Discord server in the description. Now number 4, DupDub. This tool is actually a kind of all-in-one platform with a lot of different tools and use cases, but I found their text-to-speech features to be really interesting, and they actually work great. If you're not sure what to use AI voices for, you can utilize them when creating ads or running a YouTube automation channel, whatever floats your boat. Anyways, let's dive right into how you can actually use them. You just sign up as usual, no credit card information required, press on their text-to-speech feature, and on the first page, you'll be able to choose between all these different ultra or premium voices. So just go ahead and pick your voice, and then write your script in the text field. The thing that made DupDub catch my attention is the menu here. Placing these small effects in the script will let you change the rhythm, add pauses, and even make the voice overspeak, as an example with the Say As feature. So I made some tweaks to this voiceover I generated. Let's hear it.
Welcome back to another video. I'm your host Oliver. Let's get right into it.
5. ElevenLabs. This is a tool that's been around for a while, but they've recently added some really interesting features. You can now utilize something called Idea to Video. It's this crazy thing where you write a single prompt and it creates an entire video. Let me show you. Just join their Discord, select one of the Generate servers, and then write Create and fill in your prompt. Here's the result when I wrote cat underwater. Crazy, right? Next, Claude AI. I'm actually mind blown by this one. If you thought AI image generators were a cool invention, then you'll probably die of shock seeing this. Claude took it to the next level by introducing real-time image generation. I'm gonna stop talking and just show you. This is their website, and the canvas to the left is this kind of interactive whiteboard where you can draw and use shapes. Then to the right, just take a look. It generates an image according to what you do here on the left. I've actually never seen stuff like this before. Imagine how useful this might be in the future for making animated movies and stuff like that. 7. SoundRaw. Now this tool is a lot of fun. And it might actually be a game changer for those of you that are in need of beats or music overall. It's really, really simple. So let me just show you what you can use it for. Basically, what you want to do is obviously first head over to their website. Then you click Create Music, choose your different genres, moods, length, customize your song to your requirements. While you're choosing these settings, SoundRaw automatically creates 100% unique beats that actually sound really good. And yes, I know what you're thinking. They are completely free to use, no copyright. Now this next one isn't actually an AI website, it's a fully custom GPT called Grimoire. To keep it rather short, you can pretty much do anything related to coding using Grimoire. It calls itself the Coding Wizard. Let me show you how you can use Grimoire to create a fully functional landing page in about 2 minutes or maybe even less. So I'll just prompt it something like, create a landing page with a subscribe button to my newsletter about AI to capture email addresses. Include a button to my newsletter as well. And then here's the link to my newsletter. I'll just fast forward this generation process since it's a little slow sometimes. Now that it's done, let's just follow the instructions and download the files. It's actually possible to get a quick preview of the web page through this thing called Netlify, so let's take a look at the results. I also want to mention that you can ask it to generate pictures and integrate it to the web page. It's pretty dang cool. Now while we're talking newsletters, I actually really encourage you to subscribe to my 100% free newsletter that I put in the description if you're interested in learning more about AI. Each post is completely loaded with value, so don't miss out on it. 9. Rewind.ai. This AI tool honestly is one of my favorite concepts, and it's been around for quite some time. Now, the concept is really simple, but it's fascinating as hell. Rewind will pretty much gather, compress, and record all your data so that you can ask their AI about anything you've done on your computer and it'll have the answer. This could be summarizing a meeting you've joined or whatever, you get the point. And also, they've made it clear that the data is encrypted so only you have access to your stuff and no one else. Number 10. Opus Clip. If you haven't heard about Opus Clip when it blew up around 3 to 4 months ago, you've probably been missing out, at least if you're a creator. What you do is head over to their website, paste a reference video link, like a YouTube video link. Then Opus Clip will repurpose it into these small little shorts or TikToks with colored captions. It's pretty much what you'd hire an editor for, but free and of course, instant AI results. Next, I want to talk about the free custom GPT creator website, Fastbots. If you've heard about ChatGPT releasing their custom GPTs that users can make, then you probably also heard it was only released to the paying GPT Plus users, which kinda sucks. So I found this tool, Fastbots, and I have to admit, it's not as advanced, but it's still very useful if you just want to create a simple customized chatbot for, say, your website. Just head over to their website, and then you can upload your own data, and I think you can even link your website to train the chatbot. Anyways, then just customize how it looks and it's ready to be embedded to any website. 12. Merlin. This one is also pretty damn cool. Now I know many of you watching aren't too interested in paying $20 to $25 per month for ChatGPT Plus, so I found this tool, which I actually believe is one of the first tools except Bing's browser to give users GPT-4 for free. The best thing though is that you can access other famous models like Claude and Llama from literally the same user interface. 13. Wonder Dynamics. This one is just crazy. I'm not really sure what use case this might be for, but you can swap any person in a video for this kind of CGI-looking character. It uses AI to animate and tweak the lighting, and as you can see, it turns out pretty well. So you just visit the website, press one of the templates, then Use in Project. Now I'll just use this standard clip to show you, but you drag the character you want to this little box here, and then render the video. After a few seconds, you'll have something like this. Now, ElevenLabs. If you're thinking of getting into YouTube or TikTok automation, then you have to listen. ElevenLabs is one of the best voiceover generators out there, and it's so good you won't be able to tell if it's an AI voice you're listening to most of the time. You wouldn't be able to tell if my voice is AI generated or not. Actually, I want to see what you think. Comment below if you think my voice is generated by AI or not. Back to ElevenLabs. You can use it for free to start off. Just go to their website and press on the voice library. Then you can listen to some voice samples. Then just press on the Voice Lab tab and paste in your script. This is how it turned out.
I hope you're happy with this video. It took me a long time. Drop a like and comment.
15. Runway ML. This is basically a competitor to Pika, I guess, but they've also added some great features recently. You just log into their website, either upload your picture or write a prompt, and here's the cool part. With their new motion brush feature, you can draw or highlight the parts of your picture that you want to be animated. I haven't seen anything like this before, so they're really making some big moves. 16. Feathery. I thought I'd include something useful for people that run online businesses. Now this one isn't as interesting, but it's really useful for creating forms and workflows without knowing how to code. Let's also give Canva's new AI feature some attention. There's way too much to show at one time now, but this feature called Magic Morph will let you transform any element you want into any style you want. Just highlight your element, write how you want it to look, and click Magic Morph. And then it's done. Second to last, 10Web. This is probably the best AI website generator along with Durable. You just answer some questions on their website, and you'll have a fully functional website ready in less than a minute. It's fully customizable, of course. 19. DID. DID is one of the first talking avatar generators. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to make a talking avatar like all these faceless channels, upload your character or prompt it with text, and DID will animate the image to make it look like it's talking. That's all I had for today. Join my Discord if you haven't already, and other than that, check out my other videos on the best free AI tools by just scrolling down a little bit. Have a great one!